or ideas for parents or kids to help them navigate the mental health at this time?
At this time. I think we've talked about a lot. There's one point that I just want to make, and that is parents playing a vital role in making sure that their children do not fall into a place of maybe helplessness or hopelessness because of everything that's kind of going on and the increase in stress. Um, One thing that can sometimes happen is that our kids can be overly consumed into all of these events, these negative events and situations that's happening right now, and there is not enough time spent in what's positive and what's happening in a positive light, as well as the reality of their life. So, like for example, at the end of the day, if a child is feeling, helpless or hopeless, and say, what's the point of maybe leaving the home when it's too dangerous with all of, let's say, like the racism and the police brutality that's being seen across the media. A parent can, encourage a child and say, hey, look at the reality of us being able to, let's say, take a trip to Target. At the end of the day, the likelihood of there being a police encounter, not saying that it can't happen, but the likelihood is lower than, let's say, in the past years ago, when we did not have that freedom to have to do that. And so parents can kind of just use everyday positive events or even events from in the past with their children to kind of encourage them, to let them know that things, we are making progress, and is everything is going to continue to, of course, get better, and try and get them or try to prevent them from falling in a place of everything is just bad, everything is just terrible, and kind of feeling hopeless based on just currently what's going on in the world.